Hello, hello, hello. Come on in for another moment of accelerated instruction. I am your response to intervention specialist and your online teaching consultant for beginning language or intermediate to advanced language learners K through 12 and at the adult education literacy level. Today's lesson will be a phonics lesson. We will take a look at the short A and long A sound. Professors, here is our content objective for today's lesson. Students will be able to distinguish between the short and long A sound given a set of images or given a set of pictures. This will help them with sound or letter sound association. You will find that this lesson is also good for our dyslexic learners that may be struggling with sound association and letter association. Let's go ahead and put up my contact slide. Professors, administrators, I would love to hear from you. I am also a professional teacher mentor. If you need me to come to your building to show what accelerated instruction should look like with small groups, I don't mind at all. So now that we are done with the formalities, let's take a look at my Mimeo view going. Here we go. We are ready. Let's take a look at the resource. This is the resource that I pulled today's lesson from. And here is the information on the back, giving you a few moments to take a look at that. Let's begin. I'll focus this. Get your pens, your pencils, your colored overlays if you need them at this time. Let's begin with distinguishing between the short A and the long A sound. Let's take a look at the short A sound first, as in, and I have a face-to-face learner, and I want you all to be able to hear one another when you watch this presentation. Give me the short A sound. Ah, 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 ah. As in, what is this? Apple, as in alligator. Let's look at some short A words. Here are the sounds. What word is this? Act, act, alligator, anchor, good, animal, ant, apple. Give me the short A sound. Ah, ah, ah. Good job. Now let's take a look at the long A sound. A, A. You try. As in ape, as in apron. Here are some long A sound words. Are you ready? Able, acorn, angel, ape, apron, eight. Did you see the syllable division? As in able. I did it silently. Good, you are so smart. Let's begin. Take a look at first. Let's put our name, first and last name, on our document. Capitalize the first letter of your name. All of the other letters are lowercase. Capitalize the first letter of your last name. And on this side, write today's date, whatever date that may be. This session is being recorded on April 27th, 2021. Please be sure to capitalize the beginning of the month. It is a proper noun. Capitalize that first letter of the beginning of the month. Write your numbers neatly. Everything must be written neatly. Short A. The short A sound is at the beginning of the word axe. Axe. Let's look at the words in the blue word box. Repeat the words after me. Are you ready? Great. Apple. Cat. Pan. Bat. Hat. Rat. Cap. Man. Van. And at the high school, middle school, I will say 4th through 12th grade level, 4th through 12th grade. And at the adult level, you can look these words up in your mother language or your home language for English to Mother Language Association. That would be good. Look at these directions. Fill in the missing letter to make a word with a short A sound. Ah, ah, ah. Then draw a line from the word to its picture. So here is what to do first. Fill in the missing letter. This is what we will do first. Underline, fill in the missing letter. Write the number 1 above. Look at the first picture. Look at number 1. Look at number 1. This is a what? At. What is it? Cat. So we will write C-A-T. Close the top of the lowercase a. This is the lowercase u. So we are filling in each space with the short A sound. Give me the short A sound. Ah, ah, ah. You try. Good. Number 2, app. Cap. Good work. Number 3, r, at. Rat. Number 4, apple. Number 5, and van. Number 6, at. Bat. Number 7, at. Hat. And number 8, and hand. Now I need you to make these sounds with Professor Matlock. Don't sit silently. Make the sounds. Let's take a look at what we will do with these words now. I'm choosing another colored pen. Give me a second. Our next directive was draw a line from the word to its picture. I need to throw that one out, right? Are you ready? I was looking for more pens. More pens. Now let's draw that line. Look at picture 1. What word is this? Cat. Good. Draw a line to the cat. See, they've already done it. Look at number 2. What word is this? Cap. Draw a line to the cap. Now, we've done the first 2 together. Now you will do the rest on your own. Your teacher will grade your work. Let's take a look at number 3. Rat. Draw a line to the rat. Number 4. Apple. Draw a line to the apple. Number 5. Van. Draw a line to the van. You need to erase because you've made a mistake. Find the van. Number 6, bat. Draw a line to the bat. Number 7, hat. Draw a line to the hat. Number 8, pan. Draw a line to the pan. Did you do a good job? Excellent. Short A sound. Short A sound. Ah, 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 ah. The short A sound is at the beginning of the word at. Say the word. In each word, circle the letter that makes the short A sound. So we will circle the letter that makes the short A sound. Are you ready? Great. Let's read the words in the blue word box. Repeat the word after teacher Tessie. Sad, glad, mad, black, mask, quack, man, flag, cap, map, dad, badge, ham, fan, glass. Again, look these words up in your mother language or in your home language. That will help you with the English Home Language Association of the word. Take a look. Circle the words with a short A sound. Are you ready? Tap. Will you circle the word tap? Take a look. Pay. Will you circle the word pay? Will you? Mat. Will you circle the word mat? Bake. Bake. Will you circle the word bake? Yes or no? Sat. Will you circle the word sat? Yes or no? And weigh. Will you circle the word weigh? Yes or no? Great. Now let's go back. We will circle the letter that makes the short A sound in each of these words. Sad. Circle the short A sound. Quack. Oh, let's go to number 2. I went to number 6. Glad. Circle the short A sound. Ah, ah, ah. Mad. Circle the short A sound. Black. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Mask. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. You're doing great. Quack. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Man. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Flag. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Good. Cap. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Map. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A sound. Dad. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A in dad. Badge. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A sound. Ham. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A. Fan. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A sound. And glass. Ah, ah, ah. Circle the short A sound. Now, give me the short A sound. Great work. Let's review our short and long A words. Here is the long A. Again, A as in ape, and apron. Let's look at the long A list of words. We will spell each word for letter recognition. First word, able. Repeat, able. Spell able. A-B-L-E. Next word, acorn. Acorn. Spell the word A-C-O-R-N. Next word, angel. Good. Spell the word A-N-G-E-L. Next word, ape. Ape. Good. Spell the word A-P-E. Next word, apron. Good. Spell the word A-P-R-O-N. Next word, eight. Let me hear you. Spell the word A-T-E. Give me the long A sound. A. Great work. Now let's take a look at words with short A. Give Professor Matlock the short A sound. Ah. You try. Great work. Here are words with the short A sound. We will also say the word and spell the word. Act. Spell the word A-C-T. Alligator. Spell the word A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Anchor. Good. Spell the word A-N-C-H-O-R. Next word, animal. Good. A-N-I-M-A-L. You're doing good. Next word, ant. Spell the word A-N-T. Next word, apple. Spell the word A-P-P-L-E. I am so glad that you joined Professor Matlock with another accelerated instruction moment in phonics. You did a wonderful job. I can't say that enough. Let me backtrack to my contact slide. This is how you can touch bases with me. And this lesson covered the short and long A sound for our beginning language learners. I do hope that you've learned a lot in today's lesson. I'll stop sharing my screen now. Have a great rest of learning day. I look forward to hearing from you teachers and or administrators. Bye-bye.